The 2025 Toyota Cressida marks a triumphant return of a nameplate that once stood as a symbol of luxury, performance, and understated elegance. After a hiatus of more than 3 decades, Toyota has brought back the Cressida with a completely modern interpretation while staying true to its roots. It's not just a revival, it's a reinvention for the 21st century. Back in the day, the Cressida was known as Toyota's flagship sedan before the Lexus brand was introduced. It combined Japanese reliability with a near-luxury driving experience. The 2025 model reimagines that formula with a new design language, advanced powertrains, and cutting-edge technology. At first glance, the new Cressida turns heads with its elegant yet athletic styling. The design cues reflect Toyota's new direction, combining fluid lines with muscular stance. The front fascia features a wide grille framed by sleek LED headlights, giving the car an assertive presence without being overly aggressive. Subtle chrome accents along the window line and door handles add a touch of class, while a fastback-like silhouette suggests a sporty personality hiding beneath the refined exterior. The 19-inch alloy wheels, available in both brushed aluminum and black chrome finishes, complement its balanced proportions perfectly. Under the hood, the 2025 Cressida offers multiple powertrain options, designed to appeal to both driving enthusiasts and eco-conscious consumers. The base engine is a 2.5-liter turbocharged inline-4 producing 278 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque, mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. For those seeking more performance, Toyota offers a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 with 389 horsepower, borrowed from the Lexus lineup. Both powertrains deliver strong acceleration and smooth cruising, with the V6 model hitting 0 to 60 mph in just under 5.5 seconds. A hybrid variant is also available, showcasing Toyota's commitment to sustainability. This model combines a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine with 2 electric motors to deliver 240 total horsepower while achieving an impressive 48 mpg combined. This setup isn't just about efficiency. It also provides a surprisingly responsive driving experience thanks to instant torque delivery from the electric motors. The Cressida rides on Toyota's TNGAL platform, the same architecture used for the Crown and Lexus S. This allows for a perfect balance between ride comfort and agile handling. The multi-link rear suspension and adaptive dampers ensure that the car remains composed over uneven roads while offering just the right amount of steering feedback for spirited drives. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or cruising on the highway, the Cressida feels planted and composed. Inside, the 2025 Cressida makes a bold statement with a cabin that blends minimalism with luxury. Premium materials are used throughout, including soft touch leatherette surfaces, brushed aluminum accents, and optional real wood trim. The dashboard features a clean horizontal layout anchored by a massive 14.0-inch infotainment touchscreen. Below it, a row of capacitive touch controls offers access to climate settings, while a rotary controller near the gear selector offers a tactile alternative to navigating the system. The infotainment system runs Toyota's latest interface, complete with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Amazon Alexa, and over-the-air updates. Voice command functionality has been greatly improved, making it easy to adjust settings or ask for directions without taking your hands off the wheel. A 12.3-inch fully digital instrument cluster is standard, providing crisp visuals and customizable layouts, including navigation maps and performance data. Seating is comfortable and supportive, with standard 10-way power-adjustable front seats and optional ventilated and massaging seats for both driver and passenger. Rear passengers are treated to ample legroom and an available executive package that includes heated rear seats, rear climate controls, and sunshades. The trunk offers 16.5 cubic feet of cargo space, which can be expanded by folding down the rear seats in a 60/40th split. On the technology front, Toyota has pulled out all the stops. The 2025 Cressida includes the latest version of Toyota Safety Sense TSS 3.0, offering a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning with steering assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian and cyclist detection, and traffic sign recognition. A new addition is proactive driving assist, which can subtly apply brakes or steering inputs in everyday driving scenarios, such as approaching curves or slowing traffic. Another standout feature is the optional advanced drive system, Toyota's semi-autonomous driving technology. Using a combination of lidar, radar, and high-definition maps, it can handle highway driving, lane changes, and stop-and-go traffic with minimal driver input. This feature is primarily available in higher trims but represents Toyota's steps toward fully autonomous capabilities. Speaking of trims, the Cressida comes in three main variants: Premium, Touring, and Executive. The Premium trim focuses on comfort and features, the Touring trim adds sportier design elements and suspension tuning, while the Executive trim aims for top-tier luxury with all available features included. Pricing starts at around $42,000 for the base model and can go up to $58,000 fully loaded with the V6 and all the tech options. Fuel economy varies depending on the powertrain. The turbocharged four-cylinder returns an EPA estimated 29 mpg combined, while the V6 gets 24 mpg. The hybrid is, unsurprisingly, the efficiency champion with its 48 mpg combined. For long-distance commuters and eco-minded drivers, this makes the hybrid version a compelling choice. Overall, the 2025 Toyota Cressida succeeds in blending Toyota's historical strengths with modern innovation. It's not just a nostalgic rebirth, it's a competitive, forward-looking midsize luxury sedan that stands on its own. Whether you're drawn to its sleek design, impressive performance, tech-laden interior, or its strong reliability reputation, the new Cressida offers something for nearly every type of driver. In a world increasingly dominated by SUVs and crossovers, the return of the Cressida is a refreshing reminder that the sedan still has a meaningful place, especially when it's done right. Toyota has crafted a vehicle that honors its heritage while boldly stepping into the future. If you're in the market for a premium sedan in 2025, the Cressida deserves a serious look.